I said I wasn't gonna do this, you know. And this is the last part of the video, but I'm putting it first. Now, T-Bar or T-Bar, the people them, I say you need to curve the little youth them, because you is the head of that era where we are talking about round Conway. And this little boy and the little boy them terrorize the place, and them a get gun, and people are say you need to put your foot down. And me, Countryman, I say the same thing. Tell the youth them put down the gun and stop kill off them one another. That them have to live in this space. You understand? Everybody have to live in this space. Everybody have to live somewhere. And I make them three different things. So I just that me I beg you, me nah disrespect the thing, and me nah go call in a name. You understand? Just I give you a straight message. Let's go.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge you gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them I go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Look at that picture right there. Now, that a young youth, and you see this little boy, me I talk to him parents. Me I talk to him parents. Right now, this little boy here is in Castries doing a lot. What me say? A lot of fuckery. And me I tell him mother, cause I know he is raised by his grandmother, cause his mother leave him with the grandmother and the step-grandfather. I know everything. But this guy right here said the man them a go kill him. So mommy and daddy, me a beg you no. Me a beg you no. Said me a beg you. Stop the fuckery. Let's go. Look at that picture right there. Now, you see some fireman, and it's like they're putting out a fire. Well, I'm going to show you guys another picture. And if you look right now in front of you, there is another picture of the burnt out cars. Now, my intel has told me that this young man is the culprit behind burning up this person's car up there in Graveyard. Now, what makes this very interesting, you know, is that the cars that got burnt up, that is Marvin cousin car, Baboon King. Now, this warrior so is gonna get real serious. Now, right is right and wrong is wrong. Everybody knows that I do whole heap of video on Baboon King. But from what I see right here is like this young fella and those other guys from down by Grass Street, it seems like they are starting a war with Marvin. Now, Marvin, really and truly, I have said this in our earlier video, because I could really see the gang dynamics where you have pocket of killing and violence going on around certain areas. So right away, it told me that you have some new gang members are coming in. And it also told me that the older heads them kinda kick back. But right is right and wrong is wrong. These guys them kill Muslet and burn up Marvin cousin car. Them a fire shot off a Marvin family. And to be frank, Baboon King have not yet retaliate. Well, you know me I forget that young youth here Neil. Me I call him child toy assassin. Gun bag, you know, like toy soldier. Paper soldier. Your name is child toy assassin. But check this out. Further intel has come to me and told me that this young man right here, he is in jail. He got caught recently. And I have to give him another name. Him is a gun bag. Child toy assassin gun bag. Yeah, that's your name. Toy assassin gun bag. Now, this little pussy here, the police them catch him. I walk in a certain area, the areas that we're talking about. Them catch him in a manche with 2 guns on him. 2 guns them catch on him. And him give the police a wrong name. But let me show you something. So this is the media. See what it say? July 15, caught with 2 loaded guns near Wilton's yard. Granted bail of $90,000. Now, I want the police them to know say him burn up the car them. You understand? Him kill the young youth. The young youth who died recently in a new village. My intel is telling me he is the culprit. He is the one who is terrorizing Marvin them and the other people them. So right now he's in jail at a bail of $90,000. Now when I first start this video, you know, I spoke to his mother and his grandfather or whoever, and I told them that this little boy who I call toy child assassin gun bag, don't forget that's his name. Toy child assassin gun bag, him a go dead. And now that he's in jail, cause I don't think a lot of people know that he is in jail, but he is in jail and him there Borderlais. And me know Baboon King in a Borderlais and the rest of man them a go pre him. My uncle 19-year-old, he don't know nothing about nothing. He just follow people. You understand? He follow people and now him get caught in a jam. So yeah, this is what's going on down in Castres. The whole of Castres hot like fire. Now, my intel tell me that certain head inside Conway and certain place is influencing these young boys. But I am not gonna call any name and accuse anybody. But what I'm gonna say is the war needs to stop. You understand? That's exactly what I'm gonna say. It's a small community. It's walking distance from Graveyard to Grass Street. St. Lucia is a very small country. So if any head up there on both sides gonna need to chill out with the war. One thing I tell child toy assassin gun bag, you there jail now. You better put on them little dirty thing the way I go on with, because if you don't, you go dead. And remember, Countryman said that. You understand? Just remember, Countryman tell you that. Go home to your mother and your father and stop going like you're a bad boy. That me I tell you. Listen, my name is Countryman.